So if you're a subscriber, go on. In this one, we're going to talk about Foota hype. The Foota hype and the Pablo YG saga continues, where Foota hype are get threatened by Pablo YG followers or Pablo YG fans. You hear me say, and a Pablo YG, is either Pablo YG followers or Pablo YG fans. Yeah, man. Foota hype get some serious death threats. Say, yo, Foota hype cannot come back to Jamaica. Yo, watch the man, me get into it. So remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel, and we could keep this off the right way.
Oh no, catch a rock, yeah. With the Gucci bag, Rex by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock, yeah.
So if you're a subscriber, as me say, Foota hype get some real death threats from Pablo YG fans or Pablo YG followers. And when I say followers, I mean like his entourage. Yeah, man. Remember when Foota hype did I say some things about Pablo YG performance at Reggae Sumfest, and I say, yo, if he wasn't ready, he shouldn't go up there because him basically is not ready for that big stage. Yeah, man. So as me say, Foota hype get some death threats, and I'll get into it. I'm gonna make Foota hype do all of the talking and make you understand what really I go down. You see me? Yeah, man. So just pre-war go on.
From a Sumfest review, my phone a blow up. Artists a call me, producer a call me, promoter a call me, crazy people a call me. Some people happy with what I say, some people hate what I say, some people feel like me are the biggest fascine in the world, some people feel like me are one of the greatest ever born, some people feel like me are the visionary, some people feel like me that who just chat too much and forget my mother. You understand what I say? Everybody have different opinions and different views on the things that we say. You understand what I say? One more people to understand. See? A lot of people in them feelings because of my professional assessment of Reggae Sumfest. One of the person who most seemingly have a problem a Pablo YG. So him go up a nightly fish and him speaking bit and him mention the name. Me no mad at him, Me no mad at him. Because him supposed to speak where him a speak. You understand what I say? Him have a right to speak his mind. See? I'll tell you a little story now. Yeah, that's true. Alright, other entertainment. Mad. We go sabam now. And me see a DM come in. Me see one first. Go foot allow the youth them. Okay, madam. Never really appear that now. Then you have a next one come in now. When the typing are going, me I say, bumbo clad. All I hear is when me are bad now. And all I hear is when me are deal in the street. I first me feel afraid. Cause I told the youth a type. Me I say, yo, you look a new youth here now. Them badness could have different, you know me I say. And a Pablo YG my different, and me say, yo, me don't know them look a young youth here now, them look like them really ready for, yo, come like me now can go back to Jamaica or me have to go hide or, you know me I say. And me have to just deal with foreign alone cause right now, Pablo YG youth, them are, yo, the way the man are write, the text them, is like a poetry in a shirt. It's like the man, yo, I'm afraid now, I'm afraid. I first want text. Make me afraid, you know. You see me like, I say, bumbo clot. That's my Lord Jamaica, cause them youth look serious. So, the man send about 4 texts. And me I say, bumbo clot. Right, I say, I stay foreign and I go back to Jamaica. Here where I'm going to make a mistake now. Man send a voice note. Sometimes send the 4 messages them now. Him send a voice note. I tell you the truth, people. When me hear the voice note, me not bad afraid again. The better time did bad me up with the text them and don't send the voice note. Just Chris, what go on? You see when the man send the voice note, it sound like him babysitter gone left him and him pacifier drop out of his mouth. Zin? It sound like, you know, when you left baby and the pacifier drop out halfway out of the mouth and half fight in the baby mouth, and in words them are mumble and me nobody afraid again. Me I think I got you. Alright. The youth will send that voice note, it sound like him have Down syndrome, like he want a worm out, like he want like a Tyrax or like a Mudger herb. That's what I say. And this man I made afraid for say me now go back to Jamaica. My boy put it's too much and you want to carry down the youth, go suck your mother. Pablo white V for life. I'm like, wow. So we're gonna handicap badness now. It's like you would be a UFC wrestler and you see a man in a wheelchair. I threaten you to punch you in the face. Alright, you know what it remind me of? Ika, you know what it remind me of? You know the picture where that go around with the man with no hand, but him have a gun in his waist and I act like him bad? Yeah, that kind of vibe there. See him? Like the man with no hand and him have the gun in his waist and expect you to be afraid of him. You understand? So, what me I say now, them youth here make it hard for the modern day artists, them, right? Because them act like you cannot tell the modern day artist the truth.
So Foota Hype, I could know say after the reviews that he gave about Reggae Songfest and the performance from the artists them, I could know say yo, people from all about link him. Some people rate the reviews that he give and I say yo, he's an honest person and them rate it, whilst we have somewhere don't rate it and I beat him on it, you see me? So Foota Hype, I could know say there's this person where link him, we text him and I send him some threats. You see me? And at one point, Foota Hype be afraid. But after the person send my voice note, Foota Hype, like, this is a person, like, him not no sense, a little pitney, you see me? So Foota Hype, I could know say, yo, him be afraid at first until him hear the voice note the person sent him. You see me? And I don't know why these fans are do things like these, because at the end of the day, it only a go look bad on the artist. You see me? It only a go look bad on the artist if anything will happen to Foota Hype. So the fans them need to just take a step back. If you hear something bad about an artist, you just don't meds it, bro. You see me? You just don't get involved in it, because at the end of the day, as I say, if anything will happen to the person, it will go only look bad on the artist. So you just take a step back and allow it that alone. So Foota Hype say yo, him be afraid to come back to Jamaica because he must say yo, this don't look good at all, because in a long time Foota Hype there in the streets I do what him do, and he never really experienced something like this before. But Foota Hype at the end of the day, no matter how small or dunks they may sound or may look, you have to watch your head back, bro. You have to take even the simplest threats, you have to take serious. Because you're not going to know which one is serious until it's too late. You see me? So as I said to the fans, I just need to just step back. You may hear a thing or two about your favorite artist, but you don't need to get involved. If you send a message or a comment, you just leave it like there. But they see they threats them, they're unnecessary. It only going to look bad on the artists. You see me? And I know say enough people don't agree with what Foota Hype say, but at the end of the day, everybody have their opinions. Everybody have their right to speak. You see me? So if Foota Hype wants to say, yo, Pablo YG may perform good, that's Foota Hype's opinion. You cannot kill somebody for what they want to say about someone or something. You see me? So, you can't think about it via subscriber. That's all I have to say about the situation. Foota Hype, just be careful in the streets, you see me? Don't take no threat light. Trust me. So if you're a subscriber, remember, subscribe to Foota Light Energy. If you're new to the channel, leave a comment down and let me know what you think about it. Yeah man, catch you in our next one.